Let's dig in. All right, so buying indicators. Soft buy indicator. So what is a soft buy indicator? First green outline yellow candle, right? So first green outline yellow candle formation in high volatile stock. It's also called momentum buy. So let me show you what this is for the today's EKSO stock. And so I'm gonna create some of the artwork I did here. Right, so here this is the momentum stock buying indicator. This is soft buy. As soon as you see, let me also run some replay so you guys will be able to like see what happened at that specific point, right? And so it comes up like that, and there you go. At that point, when it comes up green, it will turn yellowish color if the plugin found the indicator for a buying opportunity. So this is a replay, so it's not showing you the yellowish color as I played, but if you see in the morning, you will be able to like find the indicator for the first buying opportunity, and you can buy in at any point at this when you see the first greenish yellow candle. All right, so that's what a soft buy indicator means.